Hi, this is Joe from plugandplaykits.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a radio from a 2011 up Ford Fiesta to do my audio upgrade harnesses. The first step is you're going to take your pry tool and pry around this panel. I've loosened this already for video purposes. Once you've worked your way around the panel and removed it, set it aside. There's 4 7mm nuts right here that need to be removed to take out the radio. Once you have those removed, take your hand and pull forward. Everything's just clips, and take your other hand and reach from the bottom and just pull, and this piece will come out. Now on the back side, press and release this clip to remove this plug. This is your airbag plug. You don't need to remove it. If you want to remove it, once it's removed, you can't turn the key on or your airbag light will be set off on your dash. So you can just let this hang down and set it aside. You could take a towel or rag and put it over your shift knob to protect it. Now that you've done that, the radio just pulls out. Just reach in, pull, and release. This is the plug that you're going to be using no matter what kit you get from me, whether it's the amp upgrade, the add a sub, or any other of my audio kits. Once removed, take the harness of mine that you're connecting, connect it into the plug, make sure it clicks in, take the other end and insert it back into the radio. Once everything's done, you can route your wiring behind the radio. If you're doing my amp upgrade, you can fish the wires around to the driver's side under dash and mount your amp there, and then just reverse the steps and put everything back together. Thanks for watching.